On the night the gods whispered of betrayal, a boy was born under a sky split by thunder. The oracle had spoken. A child of Zeus will rise, but not as a god, nor as a man. Fearing the prophecy, Hera ordered the child's death, but fate had other plans.
The video you just watched was created entirely with AI. No film crew, no camera, no actors, just smart prompts and the right tools. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. AI video generators are changing. Thus Gamebite, you can now create trailers, skits, explainer videos, and even short films without touching a camera. But not all tools are equal. Some are overhyped, some are paywalled, and a few are absolute gems. So I tested 5 of the most talked about AI video generators. Some gave decent results, others surprised me. One tool stood out as the clear winner. Let's break them down. First up is Kling. It's powerful, cinematic, and still relatively new. Great for those dramatic AI clips you see in viral edits. But it's not yet fully open to everyone. Still, definitely one to watch. Then there's Dreamface. If you want to animate faces or make talking avatars, this is your go-to. It syncs voice to facial movements surprisingly well. Nim.video is quick and beginner-friendly. It's got eye, templates, voiceovers, and simple editing features. But the results can feel a little generic if you don't customize things. Hailu.video is solid too. Great for business, promo content, and marketing videos. You can drop in your text, styles, and generate clean visuals in minutes. But the one that blew me away? Digen AI. This tool gives you the full package. Text-to-video generation, cinematic results, and a super simple workflow. You type your prompt, select a few details, and your video is done in minutes. But here's the real magic. You can actually unlock unlimited video generations with a little trick. Now here's the part no one talks about. You're about to learn how to unlock unlimited video credits using Digen without paying a cent. Step 1, go to Digen.ai and click sign up for free. But don't use the Google option. Choose the email sign up instead. Now, open a site called mailticking.com. Link is in the description. It gives you a temporary email address. But here's the difference. This one ends in augmail.com, which works perfectly with Digen's system. Copy that email, paste it into the Digen sign up form. Click send code. Go back to Mailticking. Hit refresh. Your Digen verification code will be there. Enter the code, set a password, and just like that, you're in. That's one account. And every new account gives you free credits. Repeat the process. New email, new credits, unlimited videos, free. No hacks, no tools, just smart execution. And once you've got your videos, here's how to take it even further. If you want to automate your entire content system, check out faceless.video. It lets you schedule your AI videos across TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then it does all the posting for you. Set it once and it runs in the background. Their pricing is affordable, less than a Big Mac and cheese. So if you're serious about growing with AI and saving time, links in the description. This is just the beginning. Hit subscribe if you want more AI tools, growth strategies, and automation tips without the fluff.
On the night the gods whispered of betrayal, a boy was born under a sky split by thunder. The oracle had spoken. A child of Zeus will rise, but not as a god, nor as a man. Fearing the prophecy, Hera ordered the child's death, but fate had other plans. Raised by humble shepherds, Orion knew nothing of the divine blood in his veins, but the world had not forgotten him. His strength was unnatural, his reflexes beyond mortal limits. Whispers followed him. Was he blessed by the gods, or cursed? Word of the boy's feats reached Olympus, and Hera's fury was swift. She sent beasts of legend to erase him from existence. The first attack came at night, a monstrous lion with eyes of fire. It was then Orion realized he was never meant to be ordinary. With blood on his hands and nowhere to turn, Orion fled to the temple of Apollo. There, the oracle spoke once more. You are of Olympus, yet you do not belong. To survive, you must forge your own path or perish in their war. And in that moment, Orion knew the gods feared him. The son of Zeus stood at the gates of Olympus, its golden halls gleaming in the distance. He could claim his birthright or bring the heavens crashing down. The gods watched from above, waiting for his choice. But Orion, he had already made his decision.